Hey everybody, Safik here. Today I'm making macaroni and cheese. Yes, I have an accent, don't judge me on that, please. And see how dumb I was. I directly put the macaroni in the water. Sorry, I keep doing that. And I did not even put salt in it. And how bad it turned out. I swear to God, it was sticking so hard on the surface that I had to turn up the heat and see what happened. Almost happened. It almost spilled on me. But hey, I tried to manage it. I'm not that of a bad cook. Now, I had to check it if it was al dente or not. Yes, al dente is another Italian word. Please search it up on Google if you don't know. And yes, the pasta turned out to be al dente. It's not pasta, it's macaroni. Now, this is the only thing I could find to strain the macaroni because, yes, I'm not a cook. I do not spend time in kitchens, so of course I will not have any knowledge of how do I strain it. But it kind of worked out. You'll see. Now I had to make the cheese, but guess what? It turned out pretty bad, and I'm never trusting AI to help me cook any single goddamn thing. Of course, I had the mozzarella cheese, and first of all, cheese tags. I don't know why I did it. I should have known it was gonna turn out to be cottage cheese mixed with mozzarella, so I started crying bad. I just quit the video, but I have some clips left, so I'm gonna just add them, and I had to call the big guns. No, seriously, I had to call the big guns. See? Big guns. It's my mom, okay? This persistent butter off. Damn it. Sorry. So I started to do whatever my mom was telling me, and I don't know why I'm doing this butter thingy again, but hey, I'm not a cook. Macaroni. For some reason, I'm losing my Italian accent, even though I'm half Italian. Yes, many of you guys don't know that. So my mom told me to put in some spices, but I don't even know what these are. Whatever this is again, and I guess this is salt and herbs. Mozzarella again. This was quite embarrassing because I could not get the cheese off of that thing. Moment of truth. This is what happened. Yes, this looks very bad, and I don't know how dumb again I could be. But I still put it in because why not? I'm not wasting anything, honestly. And again, it turned out bad. So I put in some cream because why not? I had some cream left and I put him in the macaroni. After all, it did not look so bad, but there was one thing missing. Yes, I did not have basil, so I put in some cilantro there. Hey, it was good, alright? It was good. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything you want to tell me, please comment it down below. I'll definitely read it.